up, guess who? Locked up, guess who? Ding dong. Must be that whip that I.
Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm sorry if you guys hear like something in the background, like a little noise. I do have my fan on. It's pretty hot in my apartment right now. I'm actually waiting on maintenance to come to fix my central air, so I'm not trying to fall out doing this video. I'm sorry, so just excuse the noise. But I do have my alcohol and I have a rag, so I'm just gonna wipe around the perimeter of my hair just to make sure it's clean. Okay, so now that that's clean, I'm just going to put my wig on, and it's still looking kind of rough. I did try to clean it. This is an old wig, so this is what the wig is looking like. This is Unice hair, Brazilian straight. I actually had this wig for about a year now, so I'm just gonna make sure it's all lined up. So this is what the wig is looking like. I'm going to take my brush and brush some of these hairs back, just so we can get it out the way. Okay, so I have the wig where I want it to be. That way I know where to put the glue. We're going to be trying out Ghost Bond. This is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to be placing some on this so that's how much I have. Now I haven't used Ghost Bond in so long because it just wasn't working out for me. It was like breaking me out, so I just stopped using it. But as you can see, I'm gonna give it one last try because it does keep your wigs on for a pretty long time. So I'm just going to put like a thin layer. I'm actually using my tweezers that I love so much. These are from Adro. I'm just going to put a thin layer of this around the perimeter of my hairline. Try my best not to get it on my baby hairs, but sometimes it does get on it. Just know that it doesn't pull it out. For me personally, mine doesn't come out. So and if you guys hear some snoring, my daughter is taking a nap. So, and she's in my bed. So excuse her and her snoring. She'll be having her first video on YouTube coming out soon. So she'll be doing a little talking. She loves LOL, so she'll be playing with those on her channel, doing unboxings, just little girl stuff. So if you have a child, be sure to check out her video. I don't know if you guys watch Samia's life, but my daughter actually likes her, and she wants to do YouTube like her. So this is my second layer. This is what it's looking like. My eyebrows is getting thicker, but that's not what we're here for. But anyway, yeah, my second layer. This is what we're working with. So I'm gonna just let this dry, and then I'm gonna just tack it down. So wish me luck, wish me luck, wish me luck. So we're just gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back in. Okay guys, so we're back. As you can see, the glue is not really drying clear, which I really don't like that, but I don't know, maybe I put too much, I'm not sure, but we're gonna see what it's looking like once I place the frontal down. So I am gonna start in the middle. Okay, that's down. I'm just gonna do the sides. Let me do this side. Alrighty, so I have the frontal down. I'm just going to take my brush and just brush everything back. That's not really hard enough, so take a bigger brush and just brush it. Brush it, brush it, brush it. Okay guys, so here is the final result. So the got to be glued, the Ghost Bond lace frontal application. So what I'm gonna do next is run my flat irons through this hair. It's pretty thick, so I'm just gonna straighten it out a little bit. As I stated, well, if I did not state, this wig is pretty old. I had it for about a year. I'm using my Infinity Pro by Conair. I believe this is a 1-inch. I bought it from Target a while ago. And I bought it for $50. So yeah, I'm just gonna run my flat iron through it. As you can see, the hair does get pretty straight. I want to keep texture to it, so I'm not going to have it bone straight. It's actually way too hot for hair, to be honest. So I'll probably be doing a bob pretty soon because it's hot outside. And I'm also thinking about getting box braids. But yeah, this is the final result. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. If I have not stated that already, I do have a hair giveaway on my channel. Please be sure to follow all rules. I will have a link to that in the description box as well. It does end on July 19th. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did learn something, just comment down below what you learned and your experience with Ghost Bond and what type of glue that you prefer. That way, if you guys listen down below, I'll try to find them and try them out. Yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to wake, pray, and slay the day, because Paris taught you. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.